Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a baby alive diaper. So let's start. So the things you will need for this is some scissors, a marker, some tape, and a tissue paper. First, you have to draw like an uppercase I, but not normally like a fat one. Done. Then you want to cut it out. And the doll I will be using this diaper on is over here. It's the doll I unboxed for a few videos before. Next snap. Okay, then I need to take a shot to see if this diaper works. Open and tie it. We will see if this is. So now you want to put your baby alive's diaper over here, and then I'm gonna keep a piece of tape. Then you're gonna use tape to stick your baby alive's diaper. And here is the baby alive diaper. This is the diaper, and I tried and it works. If when you give your baby alive the baby alive food, it will work. It will not leak. And here it is, the baby alive's diaper. Baby up now.